Last Sunday, the Indian Embassy greeted enthusiastic yogis to celebrate the 4th International Yoga Day at the Indian Embassy.
For International Yoga Day on June 17th, the Indian Embassy welcomed yogis, young and old, to celebrate India's ancient physical, mental and spiritual discipline. The official International Yoga Day, as declared by the United Nations, is on June 21st. The embassy, along with Mongolian Yoga Center, wanted to include more people in the event and hosted it on Sunday. Even though it was a rainy day, yoga enthusiasts came to show their love for the activity and practiced yoga outside in the pouring rain. Ambassador Suresh Babu gave opening remarks for the event, followed by a video from India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the benefits of yoga. Over the years, more and more Mongolians have been practicing yoga to better their lives.